This is Nick with logosbynick.com, and in this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how you can create your own signature stamp using Procreate for the iPad. So let's go ahead and get started here. Let's open a new canvas by tapping the little plus icon in the top right corner, and I'm going to base this canvas on the screen size. And the first thing we want to do is open up the Layers menu and turn off the visibility of the background layer, which is down here in the bottom right corner with that little box that you can tick like that. Now what I want to do is let's close out of that. Let's set our foreground color to white. Up here in the top right corner, this little circle with the color in it. I'm just going to set this to white. By default, you should probably have the disc wheel here. I like working with the classic color picker because it allows me to go all the way to the top left like this and select white. And once you have it set to white, you can go ahead and close out of that. And what we want to do now is let's open up our brushes menu. And in order to create your signature, you can use whatever brush you'd like. But the brush I like to use, though, is right here under inking. And it's this brush right here titled Syrup. So I'm going to tap on that, close out of that. You can adjust the size of your brush over here and then go ahead and write your signature like that. Okay, now once we've done that, what we want to do now is copy that to the clipboard. So let's tap on the little wrench icon in the top left corner. And under Add, we want to look for Copy towards the bottom of the list. So tap on Copy, and that's going to copy it to the clipboard. So let's close out of that. Now let's go back to our Brushes menu over here. Now you can place your signature brush in any one of these categories you'd like. What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to create a new category for custom brushes. So I'm going to tap this little blue plus icon up here, and I'm going to title this folder, I'm going to title it Custom. Press return, and there we go. Now I'm going to add my brush into this custom directory for custom brushes that I make. So I'm going to tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the menu over here to add a new brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to, on the left-hand side, I'm looking for shape. So I'm going to tap on shape. And what we want to do is change the shape of this brush to the shape of our signature that we just created. So up top where it says shape source, let's tap on edit. Let's tap on import. And from this list, I am looking for paste, which is at the bottom over there. So tap on paste. There you go. Now tap done again. And what we could do now is let's come down here to properties. And the maximum size, we want to make sure we have that turned all the way up. And then we'll come up top over here to stroke path. Let's put the spacing all the way up as well. And then once you've done that, you can tap on done. Now we can close out of the brushes menu. And what we could do now is let's open up the layers menu and clear out this little signature we just created. Let's tap on clear right there. And what you could do now is if you tap on your brushes menu and you navigate over to that directory, you should notice there is your brush right there. There's the signature brush. I'm going to tap on that to select it. And over here, I'm just going to make the size big like this. And I'm just going to tap on the canvas once. And you can see it taps and adds my signature. So let me undo that. Let me make this a little smaller. Try something like that. And there you go. Just like that, you've created your own little signature stamp. Now, the way that this works is, this has pressure sensitivity. So if you tap on it very lightly, you'll get a very faint, partially transparent signature stamp. But if you tap on it with a little more pressure, you get a more solid signature stamp like that. Okay, so I think that should do it for this tutorial. That's how you can go about creating your own custom signature stamp for your artwork using Procreate for the iPad. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.